will, now this decision of yours is going to take you to another level. Trust me. You will from now on start feeling more young. Okay, externally also you will look young. I definitely I propagate that, but I must tell you, internally the kind of energy which comes in is enormous. You can take my word, and I'll be just talking now. You will start talking after a month or two, if you are doing sincerely. If you are taking breaks, then even the success also, the effect also will come in breaks. Okay. With this note, now thanking the organizers, and with a very warm welcome to all of you, we start our prayer. Ucharana Shakti Vikasaka, you're strengthening your throat. Now we'll say a divine prayer to seek the blessings of the Almighty and the Guru Parampara. Asato ma Sadgamaya Tamaso ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya. O Lord, lead me from unreal to the real. Lead me from darkness to light. Lead me from death to immortality. I seek the grace and blessings of the Almighty and the entire Guru Parampara. We are immensely thankful for having got this rare, unique yogic practices, and we pledge that we make this as a part of our lifestyle. I can understand, due to my good karma, only this has reached me at this point of time in life, and I make up my mind that I will make use of it to the fullest and get rid of all the pain, suffering, and worries of various diseases which were to come to me in my life. Hari Om, warm welcome, namaskar once again. Okay, now, so how do we structure today's exercise regime is with not much explanation on the exercise pattern. We will straight go into the exercises one after the other. We call this at one go. Somewhere here and there I may say a few words, but otherwise our interest is to see that we are doing on a repeated sequential basis. Okay. And when it comes to the legs, yes, yesterday we did not complete the understanding of our legs to that extent. So there we will take up some explanation. Before that, now we make a start. You can give one instruction to your mind, which eventually goes to your body, saying that, taking the three important principles. Now don't forget, as far as you are using these three principles at every point of exercise, the benefit is enormous. I told you how this particular exercises, it activates all the 7 chakras. Biologically, it activates all the 8 important glands. It activates your pranic system, all the 5 pranas. It generates that huge amount of nitric oxide as a defense mechanism. and your entire immunity strength is completely brought to another level. Now, this is the kind of a holistic approach what you're getting, apart from the muscular strength, increase in the blood circulation capacities, and various other benefits that you're seeing, they're innumerable. So you can give a general instruction. Now I'm going to start from the head to the toe. In each and every exercise, I offer my thanks to that part of the body for being so cooperative and considerate with me so far in my life. And I ensure that with this exercise, that particular portion of the body is now going to get better and better. And the third thing is you have to connect your breath to that portion of the body. Now with this, what is happening? Neural pathways are being formed. As I told you yesterday also, that excessive saliva which generates with this yogic breathing, it has nerve growth factors, which increases the strength of the neurons. We have about 100 billion neurons in our body. Now, those get activated. And if they want further growth of neurons, it proliferates the growth of the neurons and it keeps them active. So neural pathways are formed. So if there's any portion, let's say your knee is pain, for example, a neural pathway is formed from your brain to your knee to supply the nutrition, to give the right amount of support in terms of tissue building, muscle building. See, all this happens internally, and we should be able to understand, visualize properly. Now my knee, the muscles are getting, new muscles are getting formed, new tissues, new cartilage, ligaments, everything is getting in place. It is getting stronger. The more you think on those lines, you're using the power of visualization, the self-talk, and reticular activating system, which is the gatekeeper, which allows information into your body and mind. All that is getting wonderfully serviced over here. So keeping this in mind, do it as a meditation. It will increase your focus, concentration in life. Very good for, in fact, children where they lack concentration. You can talk about this. You're taking your awareness to a particular portion of the body and staying there. That is the meaning of concentration. Wherever you want to take your awareness and remain there, that is known as concentration, and that happens with this entire process what we're doing. Okay, now you please let's focus on the exercises, understand, and get that confidence we did at one go today. Okay, right. I will tell you about the increase in energy levels while we're doing the exercise at some point of time. My own experience. So that will give you a corroboration or a proof to what I have currently mentioned. Okay, now we start with the head, the brain, which is Dhriti Shakti, to increase and enhance our willpower. Head back. Next, Smarana Shakti. Chin touching chest. Medha Shakti, your intelligence, your wisdom. As a part of connecting, you can also visualize people complimenting you for better memory, for better willpower, your discipline in life. You can visualize that. That enhances the strength much better. Okay. Now we come to the eyes. Right, left, right, left. Up and down. crossways. Visualize your eyes getting stronger, more healthier. The increase in the blood supplies and the entire neuromuscular system of the eyes getting stronger. Now let's do rotation, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Yes. Now let's look at our right shoulder and left shoulder, standing straight without turning your head. Now look at a distant object 15-20 feet away. Look into the details of the distant object and at the details of your index finger, which is right in front of you. You can blink, not an issue. During the entire course of your day, a decent amount of blinking is healthy for your eyes. If you're not blinking much, please keep doing it consciously. And now and then you can do the fast blinking relaxation technique. Now, the last exercise in the eyes, take your index finger, place it at a point where both your eyeballs are rolled upwards and they're focusing on one point, which is the tip of your finger. Gaze, stare without blinking. Now let your eyes water, let it pain, continue staring. A wonderful exercise for your eyes. It's pushing your eyes strength beyond limits. And that is where the strengthening is happening in true sense. Yes. Okay. Now we are done with our eyes. Now we go to the face. Now let's enhance our face value. Okay. As you push air into your face, hold it as much as you can. That's the time when the internal benefits are occurring. For a noticeable change, you can also do it again during the day, once or twice again during the day. There will be a huge difference in your face value. Those of you who cannot do the pout, this way, the funnel, forming the funnel of the tongue. So you can just breathe in this way. That is also fine. Okay, for all the exercises, Shitali and even in Karna. Okay, now we do the Karna Shakti. Before that, we first cheer up the regiment, the battalion which is there, our defense mechanism, immunity battalion, up and down. You are giving them medical facilities, food, taking care of all their requirements, cheering them up, and you're cleaning the whole place. Forward, backward, up and down. Now, place your palm on your ears and repeat. Forward, backward, rotate. This is a very important regiment, please understand. Reason is, the foreign particles to enter your body, these are the main inlets, your nose, your mouth. So this line of defense is very important. So you can keep doing it even during the day if you can. Just try to do this exercise. So it will enhance your immunity levels. Okay. Now we do the Karna Shakti. Okay. Now we do the Griva Shakti, the next portion for the neck, right and left. Forward, backward. Please look into the PDF file, which also has got a link to the YouTube exercises, which are explained one by one in detail. And the PDF file has all the notes, the benefits, the breathing pattern, the process of doing the exercise. Now, sideways. It also has a detailed explanation on the operating principles. There are about 22 exercises, all what we are doing at one go, broken into 22 and explained in about 4 to 9 minutes. Rotate. Each video 4 to 9 minutes. Anytime you have a doubt, you can refer that particular format and see the YouTube videos. Okay. Now, next, We do the thumb in, fist closed, and we do the pumping. Now this is the second regiment, a battalion over here for your immunity. Excellent. If somewhere some enemies have missed this, crossed over this battalion, they'll get caught over here. If the system is strong, your throat, this entire shoulder. Okay, now we go to the next one. Reverse. Now same position, fist in, fingers closed. Thumb in, fingers closed, fist closed. Breathe in, hold and rotate rigorously. Breathe out and punch. Now you do the reverse. Breathe in. This is an excellent lock, a band which is happening. It enhances the vibrancy in all the glands. Reverse. Mainly you can see here your thyroid, parathyroid, they're getting activated. Sideways, a reverse namaskar. When you go up, breathe in and stretch your arms upward as much as you can. Forward, backward, only up to your thigh. The moment it touches your thigh, come up. A soft touch on your thigh. And you're reversing your position. That needs muscle strength. Now, next. By now you should be panting. Your breathing should be at a much higher level. That is the level of exertion you have to put in these exercises. Okay. Now we do the in and out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Do it rigorously. Those of you cannot reach this speed, don't worry. One day you will reach very soon. Go at your own pace. Be comfortable. Be kind to yourself. And take yourself slowly upward. Uddhared atmanam atmanam. Lift yourself by your own self, Lord Krishna said. Quick short breath, hold, and create that pressure in your arms. And then finally, when you come up, breathe out. Keep doing about 4, 6, 8 times. See your entire muscles getting stronger here. Visualize the tissues, the improved blood circulation, your skin getting a fine shine, your wrinkles disappearing. Palm open, fingers together is the second variation. Now stretch your fingers apart and repeat the third variant. Same breathing pattern. Hold, breathe in, hold, and create that resistance. Even your arms should shake. Not an issue to that extent. If your arms are paining, then you're doing it right. This is improving your muscular skeletal system of your entire arms, shoulders, chest. Yes. Now for the fist. Palm open, fingers together, second variant. You can take the help of your other hand and push your palm to an extreme so that you are able to get much more flexibility and do it better. Now, third variant, fingers apart. Yes. Now we do exclusively for the fingers. Shake as much as you can and connect to the tip of each and every finger with your eyes closed, focusing the tip, feeling this tingling sensation. This enhances the neuromuscular system. Your perceptory, behavior, and your sensory response is highly activated here. It increases the level of concentration. Sideways. Yes. Now something is stuck to the wall. You're pulling it. Form a grip. Breathe in and pull. The knuckle pain, finger pains, all that will go away with this. Sideways. Yes. Very good. Now normalize your breath. We'll go to the next one is Vakshasthala. Now I'll tell you my practical experience as to how the energy levels within have improved. As I mentioned earlier, I started doing these exercises. In fact, I was fortunate to get to know these exercises 20 years ago when I was about 40 years of age. Now that time I liked it. It was scientifically designed, and as I told you, so many benefits, all in that 145 minutes. That's all what you require once you master the art. So I couldn't ask for more. I was into deep business. Every 10 minutes counted. So even as a businessman, where you're looking for a return on investment, I saw this tremendously high, and I got hooked on to this particular exercise. Now, I had a practice to go to Tirupati every year, which I had started about 27 years ago. Now, somewhere 15 years back, once it struck me, why don't I take a count? We climb the hill. When we go, we're about 15, 20 of us who climb the hill barefoot. The first tranche is about 1950 steps, and it is literally like this. Okay, the first level. So 1950 steps you have to climb. I said, now let me take a count. And 15 years ago, my count was, I did it in 47 minutes. And then I started repeating the exercise year after year. And I saw slowly it was coming down. And the last year, of course, because of COVID, we couldn't go. Prior to that, Now I've come to 35 minutes. Now imagine, as you grow, you should be at least able to maintain that 47 minutes, but it is gradually coming down. This is the level of energy which you can get within. So in that way, I'm very confident about this. You also need to have the faith and dedication doing the exercises. Okay, next, we expand our chest. Ukshasthala. Breathe in all the positivity. Now roll your shoulders back and try to touch your calf muscles with your fingers. Go in that direction. You will not be able to touch, but try to go in that direction. Yes, 3 times. Okay. Now let's do the breathing. Body straight, back straight, hands on your thighs, neck back. Focus on a deep breathe out and a slow breathe in. Now look straight and repeat. Keep your eyes gently closed. Now tilt your head downwards as you are looking 5 feet forward. Repeat the same pattern. Now Sheetali, form out a funnel with your tongue and slowly draw in air. Here you're not breathing in forcibly inside. You're slowly drawing in air so that the air and the moisture on your tongue sends a cool wave inside and cools down your system. And as you come down, you're touching your chin to your chest. There is a chin lock, the Jalandhar Bandh, and which activates your thyroid, parathyroid. Slowly breathe out and come up. 2 times is good enough. If you want to do a little more, you can always. Now let's take the 4th and 5th position. From the bottom of your spine, you push your hip out, and from there you bend 60 degrees and repeat the exercise. Keep your hands on your sides, the thumb facing the ground. Ensure you're pushing your knee backward. Keep your eyes gently closed. Now the next variant, bend 90 degrees, form a perfect tabletop. Somebody should be able to have their breakfast on your back that way. Yeah, open your chest, push your hip out and bend down 90 degrees. Your neck up, eyes gently closed, and the same pattern. Come up, repeat the Shitali. Excellent. Now in this process, all your 5 pranas, as I told you, prana, apana, vyana, udana, samana, they're getting activated now. And in this process, we also activated the Anahata chakra, the heart chakra. Okay, now we come to the lower portion, which is the Udara, the abdominal, where we are now first activating the Manipura chakra, which is on your navel. Okay, come. Now we prepare, breathe in, push your abdomen out, and vice versa. Now, rigorous palpitation, breathe out, hold, standing straight, palpitate. Remember, you're exercising all the internal vital organs of your body, your kidneys, your liver, your intestine, your pancreas, your spleen. Once again. Right. Now, 60 degree. $90. Breathe out, hold, and palpitate. Your digestive issues, your constipational issues, your weight control, and all the other functions of your body, they go to another level with this exercise. Now let's go down, place your hands on your thighs and palpitate sideways. Breathe out, hold, and palpitate. See, initially your shoulders will be shaking like this, or your waist may shake like this. Don't worry. Pay focus on your abdomen and keep doing. Breathe out. And now let's do the forward rotation. Now do the reverse rotation. When you breathe out and you do, you're creating a vacuum. Now that is the pressure which is on the organs, internal organs. Now breathe out, hold, reverse breathing, reverse palpitation. Close your eyes and focus on the portion of the body you'll be able to do better. Now, let's do the second major lock, Bandh. First one is Jalandhar. Now this is Uddiyana Bandh. I told you the Ajagara, the python Bandh. Breathe out and keep pushing your abdomen in. As much as your navel should be able to touch your spine, that way. Okay. Without. You can slightly push your abdomen gently and see for yourself how much you are able to go in. Now let's do it again, once again. This is also known as the Agnisara, where all the digestive liquids in your digestive system, they are able to produce in the right manner and also digest your food in the right manner. Okay. Breathe out. If you breathe out through your mouth, it is much better. You're able to breathe out more. Hold as much as you can. That's the test here. Okay. Now we come to the Kati Shakti, which is the trunk. Feet parallel to each other, at the width of your shoulder, hands parallel to each other and the ground, and at your shoulder level. Breathe out and go back. Give a nice twist on your waist. You're strengthening your spinal as well as your entire back. Okay. Now the next exercise, take your feet a little more wider, place them at an angle and bend sideways. You're preparing for the next exercise by this exercise. Sideways, not forward or backward. Push, push, push. Excellent. Now, interlock, palm facing the sky. Raise your hand side and bend sideways. Ensure you push your arms out and feel the pull behind your abdomen on the pancreas. Use your power of imagination and go to that portion and use the 3 golden principles. Now, the other side. Push upward and excellent for diabetes because the pancreas, they regulate the insulin production in your body and also overall the metabolism in your body, which is very important. So although the pituitary glands are known as the king of all glands, but that mainly gives only commands. But here, these produce the necessary enzymes, hormones to take care of your body. Okay, now we do forward and backward bending. What you have to do is hold your wrist with your left hand, right wrist, and place it on the back of your spine and go backward and forward. Basically, you're protecting your spine. Yes. Your neck should go back as much as possible and your back also bend as much as possible. Do it lovingly, with care and gently. But at the same time, try to push yourself to your extremes. Okay. Now we do the rotation. Those of you with the back pain, please continue to do softly as much as you can. All these, whatever you can. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. As you go back, you breathe in. As you come forward, you breathe out. Now, we are going to give a jerk to our back and spine. This is only to make it efficient in terms of an untoward incident. It could be a slip or it could be a fall, whatever it is. We should have a strong back to face such kind of situations. So lift your palm up, facing the sky. invoke positivity and prepare in your mind that when you come down, you reverse your palms facing the sky, you breathe out negativity. Keep one negative in your aspect in your mind and throw it out. This works very well if you want to give up anger or you want to give up hatred, whatever you have to tell your brain. So the prefrontal cortex lobes, they get that signal because that is the only thing which differentiates between us and the animals. So by doing this kind of an exercise, you're telling your prefrontal cortex that I want to improve on this. So next time when you are in that situation, that will give you an alarm, a few seconds alarm, where you can control yourself. That is what happens internally. Okay. Hard as you can. Now let's massage and give a treat to the trunk after having taken it to an extreme. Just keep rotating. You're also servicing your hip joints. Very good. Now we come to the groin. Below your navel. Now this is known as Mooladhara and Swadhisthana chakra enhancement. You're pulling at the Mooladhara is at your around your rectum, and Swadhisthana chakra is around your genitals. So fear is the factor which is always holding you from the Mooladhara point of origin. And then you have in terms of guilt, which holds you at this Swadhisthana chakra. So fear and guilt are two important things where they hold on the Kundalini Shakti. So you have to get over with fear and guilt, as I explained yesterday. Let's do that. Now here you're pulling feet together and take a big short breath, hold, pull, and hold and pull. Now slowly keep pulling at your rectum region and at your genital region. What one normally does is when they don't find a washroom and they want to answer a nature call and they're stuck, what you do, the same principle. Keep pulling, keep pulling. You can raise your chest to make room and enhance the pull. Okay. Now, 4 inches apart. Repeat the same exercise. A quick short breath, hold and keep pulling. I gave you a plethora of benefits yesterday. What it does internally on your reproductive organs. It takes care of your constipation, piles, fistula, fissures, all this. Okay, now next 10 to 12 inches. Keep your feet apart and repeat. Visualize the energy which is stuck there is now slowly rising. The Kundalini Shakti is rising above because you're releasing here. You're working on it. Very good. Now, we are completed up to our drawing. Now we come to the next exercise is to our legs. Before this, our Rishis and Munis, they have created one more exercise, which is known as the straight, it is known as the Kundalini Shakti Vikasaka. So, how do you enhance this Kundalini Shakti, which is stored at the bottom of your spine? You have to basically, you're kicking the hips. Okay, a very simple exercise. Now, visualize that that power, which is enormous power, which is stored at the bottom of your spine, is slowly rising, and you're activating by kicking your back. Very simple. Keep your eyes gently closed and visualize that power. Now this power has to actually reach the higher levels, which is to your brain, to make you intellectually and brain-wise strong. But what is happening? We are utilizing it for all the lower causes of our existence. So that is the reason we activate this. Okay. Now after this, now we come to the Janga Shakti, which is known as the thighs. Janga Shakti Vikas. Okay. Preparatory. The first exercise. Just keep pulling. And you can take it up this way. Keep pulling up. Then this way. And finally, nice jump and come down. Both your knees are together. You're holding one leg back at your foot level, and now here, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Take it back. There you are. Okay. Now, as I mentioned, when you kick back, apart from what we do, we get the benefit of the Kundalini. You are also enhancing the strength of your hamstrings. So now we are going to work on our quadriceps, which are in our front. These two take care of the strength on your knees. Okay. For that, what you do? You first lift your toes, placing your foot on your heels. Push a knee. Push a knee. Here you have an important muscle and bone is the tibia and the patella. So you are servicing this part now by pushing it in. Push, push, and kick as much as you can and as hard as you can. Go at your own pace. Push your knee down and then kick. About 2 to 3 times. Now the other leg. Push your knee down. Excellent exercise for your knees. Okay. Now you have to raise your legs straight without bending your knee, as they do in the march past, as high as you can. Normal breathing. Okay. And now with this, what happened? Your quadriceps, your hamstrings, now they're all strengthened. We'll go to the next level of strengthening of our upper legs, where lunges, place at an angle, and go down, up and down. I would recommend now in this series of exercise, you can slightly alter so that your muscles get the strength of adjusting. Don't follow the same pattern. Now we have to do the Virasana and Chandrasana. After the lunges, I'm going to do that. Okay, go down, up, down, as much as you can. Raise your heels. You're on your toes. Raise your heels.
Okay.
And now you start pedaling on your toes and on your heels. Come on your toes, come on your heels. Come on your toes, come on your heels. Okay. Now let's this super brain exercise. The squats. Left hand hold your right ear. Right hand hold your left ear. Keep massaging the earlobes and go down. Ensure your knees don't cross your toes. Very good for your abs as well. Yes. Now we do the Virasana.
Virasana.
One foot which is at the back is perpendicular. Now at a right angle, keep this foot straight in the front. This is pointing straight, this is this way. Okay, now hands are parallel to the ground at your shoulder level. They are neither this way nor this way. They are in alignment with your legs. Now go down as much as you can. Don't allow your knees to cross your toes. And here a very special hormone is released, which is known as hormones for courage. That is the reason it's known as Virasana. You have to invoke that courage in you. Close your eyes and say, I can, and I will. I will face all the hurdles, challenges in my life with a smile. Good. I'll show it this way. Somebody to mute whoever's mic is on. Please mute. Okay. Look straight and invoke the courage in you. Yes. Very good. Now this is Virasana, where you're invoking courage. Automatically, now what you saw in that Mooladhara Chakra, fear is that factor which is holding your energy down there. With this exercise where you're invoking courage and confidence, you are naturally able to overcome that fear in life. Fear comes at different levels to everybody. Fear of your health, fear of your wealth, fear of your relationships. So some people unnecessarily get fearful. Here you should, this will ensure that fear should be there, but in the right degree. So it's going to bring you to the right degree by this particular exercise. Okay. Now we come to Chandrasana. Slowly go down, almost your knee touching the floor, hands up. A nice position to pray to the Lord and seek His blessings. Up your chest up. Now the other leg. There's a fine pull on all your hamstrings, quadriceps, ligaments, cartilage on your knee. Very good pull by this exercise. Go down, go down, go down. Yeah, wonderful. Now after this, we give a nice massage to our knees. Okay, feet together and do clockwise, anti-clockwise with both your knees together. Rotate at your own comfort and ease. It's also strengthening and relaxation. This enhances the liquid in your knees and the cartilage, the ligament strength, which the knocking sounds, what we talk about, they all go over with this. Okay, you can place your feet apart and repeat this exercise. Very good. Wonderful. Okay. Now, as we have seen, we have covered the upper portion and we have covered the knee. Now we come to the lower portion, the calf muscles and the entire foot. So here we have the tibia, the lower bone, and then we have the patella here. We are now going to work on the tibia. Femur was here, which we have already worked upon, and the cartilage and the quadriceps and hamstrings. Now go up and down, up and down. You should see your calf muscle. Now, as I told you, as the heart is the pump for the blood to move, to keep in circulation for the entire 24/7, this particular calf muscle is like the heart to the lymphatic fluid, which takes care of immunity in your body and keeps the lymphatic fluid running for the entire 24 hours. So this can be done during the day also to enhance your immunity. Up and down, very simple. Now, go up and hold. Count up to 100 as fast as you can. Hands on your sides, palm facing each other. Go as much as you can. Up, 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 up. Now let's do the body balance. Sideways, forward, sideways. Now the other leg. Okay. Now we come to our foot and toes. Now remember, anytime you have a problem on your foot, it could be numbness, stiffness, pain in your foot, you have to strengthen your calf muscles. Okay, with that, your problems in your foot are taken care. And now in the entire process of numbness in your legs, that is taken care by the overall exercises what we did in terms of the endocrine glands, all the 8 glands. Okay, now we walk on the toes. Just keep walking like this on your toes. Forward, backward. It will be fun if grandchildren are around. They'll laugh at you. Yes, keep walking. 20, 30, 40 steps as much as you can. Very effective exercise. For the ones who are wearing heels and have foot pain, this is a good remedy for that particular pain. Okay. Now we come to the foot. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Rotate. Imagining a circle. Try to form a perfect circle. Up and down, up and down. You can see a nice pull, the entire portion till your heel and it goes up to your calf if you're able to do it properly. You all will be able to get a hang of it. Once you get a hang of it, then you'll start seeing the results coming so fast. You'll be amazed how things are changing on your health front. Up and down. Mother Nature is very loving and caring. Just reach her, that's all. Okay. Now, you can also do it this way. A variant. Tap. Now what you do is, come on your heel, come on your toe. Heel, toe. All this can be done during the day as well. Please keep doing whenever you can. They will strengthen your legs to a great extent. Yes. There we are. We have taken 56 minutes. Okay. Now we do the last one is the acupressure. We clap. Okay. Now we massage our entire acupressure points. Hit like this. The other side. Now, hit on the acupressure points. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now punch. clockwise, anti-clockwise. The other side. Punch. Reverse. Now rub your wrist. Just rub them like this, very tenderly rub them. The other side. There we are. Thank you, everybody. Okay, we're done. So it has taken us about 58 minutes where I've been still talking. And as you perfect the art, 45, 50 is a decent number. You can finish this. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Yeah. Now, over to the organizers. I'll finish
prayer.
the thought for the day, and I'll say the prayer, and then let the organizers take a call. The thought for the day. Economy at the bottom of the purse is too late, which means when you have spent all your money, unquote, you have very little money. And that at that point of time, if you think of saving money, what is the use? So in the same way, be it money, which is wealth, it's also your health. Don't try to build on health when you have lost all your health. So whatever we have as of now, let us start working from there and build upon it enormously. Whatever be our age, 30, 40, 50, 60, even 70, you'll be able to build upon it. Don't take it to a drastic, devastating stage. Okay. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. I thank you all participants for being a part of this wonderful journey, and I wish you robust health and lot of success, happiness, and peace in your lives. I thank the organizers immensely for having brought us together. Otherwise, we would have never met. I thank Shri Kota Srinivas, Shri B. Chandrasekhar, Shri Venkatesh Babu, and Shri Yatish, who are the prime organizers. They are doing an extremely wonderful job, and I thank them from the bottom of my heart. I thank my sister, Meghana Kaushik Sirigeri, who helped us in making that beautiful invite what you all received in terms of this particular program. And I thank my dear wife, Padmaja Sirigeri, who has always been of great help and support in this entire process. She not only in my study, research, notes, organizing things, in every part of my exercise, she has been, you can say, I'm only a forefront actor, but she is the director behind me. So thank you all once again. Namaskar. Hari Om.
Thank you.
Namaste, Guruji.
Thank you, Guruji.
And
Thank you.
a lot of compliments. Everybody is thanking
Thanks a
you
lot,
for
Guruji.
the excellent session that we had for the last 6 days. Now I request if anybody
Thank
has
you,
got
Guruji.
specific question, you can raise.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji. Manisha here.
Manisha
I
ma'am.
would like to say that because of your exercises, I could accompany you to Tirupati. I could climb the steps in spite of my knee problem. But I
Yes.
could
Thank
do
you,
it.
Guruji.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you.
Excellent exercise
Thank you.
and useful. Thank you very much. Hari Om.
So,
Guruji, I have a question, Guruji.
Yeah, please go ahead.
See, when we do the chest exercise, when we
Yes.
forcefully breathe out, the air is hitting in my nose. Is it the or the force is more, or how does?
See, I would suggest what we all have to do is, before we start our exercise, you push in some water into your nose and breathe in this way. By this, what happens is your entire nose track and nose channels, they get cleared. So maybe you try this and you will feel comfortable.
No, the comfort. I have a comfort, but when it hits the nose in the nostril, no, like little bit of a small pain is coming. Is it? I'm using the more force, or how does when the air comes out?
Yeah.
It is.
You reduce your intensity. Reduce your intensity and slowly build upon it. Then you should be able to get a better feeling. I think, suddenly we have gone to this extreme level because you are trying to do what I'm doing. And in that process, maybe it is too hard on your nasal tract and you're finding this pain. So go a little softer and increase your strength.
Thank you, Guru. Thank you.
Guruji, I have a question.
Please.
In the first exercise, the brain exercise or the head exercise, whatever you showed, is
Yes.
the breathing is Bhastrika?
See, Bhastrika, it is a rapid form of Bhastrika, I would say. In Bhastrika, you have a breathe in and breathe out going continuously. Here, same breathe in, breathe out is going, but it's going at a very rapid stage.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because you want the breath to touch that portion of the body and nourish that portion of the body.
Okay. So I was doing like Bhastrika, so I was not sure whether I did the right thing or not.
As I'm telling you, you are doing the right thing, but it is not identical to Bhastrika. It is on the lines of Bhastrika, it done in a rapid way.
Rapid way. Okay. Thank you, Guruji. Thank you very much.
Hari Om Guruji.
Yes.
Hello, Hari Om Guruji.
Hari.
Can you please share that lower back exercise which you told, which would help us in case of disc prolapse?
Yeah, I'll do that. Exercises, I will send it across. Yes.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಗುರುಜಿ. ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನುಕೂಲ. ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿನಕ್ಕಿನ ಒಂದ್ 2.5 ಗಂಟೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ.
ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ?
ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಲ್ಲ?
ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ನೀವೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತೋ ಬೇಡ ನಾನು.
ಓಕೆ ಗುರುಜಿ. ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ, ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಡಿ ಡಿಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್, ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ಸ್, ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಚ್ಚೋಗಿದ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕುಡಿತಾ ಇದಾವೆ. ಇವಾಗ ತೆರೆದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ಇವಾಗ.
ಆದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಗುರುಜಿ. ಒಂದ್ ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗಾಗಿದೆ.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಉಂಟು, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ನಿಮಗ್ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು?
ಹಾ, ಹೌದು ಗುರುಜಿ. ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀನಿ, ಇದಕ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು.
ಅದೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸೋಣ ನಾವು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
Guruji, in between when we do on our own and then we have questions, can you answer those questions on WhatsApp group, or how do we get it solved?
This is a very good question. Now, time we're able to decide how we connect again each other.
Okay.
In WhatsApp group, we have only the admins are in a position to ask questions, I guess. Are you in a position to ask questions? Then you can ask on the WhatsApp group. I will answer, which will be for the benefit of everyone.
Okay, because with you we can follow, but when we do on your own, we should. Oh, sorry, go ahead.
Namaste, Guru. This way, first level, you refer the PDF file and that particular exercise
Okay.
Whole process we have divided into 22 exercises. Okay. You go to that particular portion of exercise and understand and see whether your doubt is clarified or not.
Okay.
There's a detailed explanation in the video. If you are still not able to get it, post it on the group, the second level, and I will answer it on the group so that you will be able to understand it better. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Guruji. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಗುರುಜಿ, ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ನನ್ನನ್ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನಾನು ಜೈ ಪಾಂಡೆ ಅಂತ, ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅವ್ರ
ತಾವು ಯಾರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದ?
ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ.
ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಕೇಳಿ, ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ 5 ದಿನದ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್, 6 ದಿನದ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ
ಗುರುಜಿ ನನ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರು, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
ನೀವು
ಯಾರೋ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದು ಹಿಂಗೆ.
ಹಲೋ,
ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕಳ್ಸಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಉಂಟಾ?
ಹಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಅವ್ರ ನಂಬರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ನಿಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಲೋ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಹಲೋ, ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಸರ್ ನಂಬರ್, ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಸರು ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಹೆಸರು ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಹಾಕಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಹಾಯ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ, ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ PDF. ಹೌದು ಸರ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದನ್ನ?
ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಶೇಖರ್ ನಿಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿಪ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು, ನಾನು ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಯಾರೋ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರು, ನಾನು ಹಾಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೆಸರು ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಮಾತ್ರ ತುಂಬಾ ಸೂಪರ್.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಬಾಬು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಾ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಪುನಃ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್. ನನಗಂತೂ ಬಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದು ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ
ನಾನ್ ಕೂಡ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, 2-3 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಆದ್ರೂ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ.
ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಗುರುಜಿ? ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಕನಸುಗಳು
ಇದೇನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಈ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಪೀನಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತಮ್ಮ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮರಣಶಕ್ತಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿದ್ದೆನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅದು. ಆ ಮೆಲಾಟನಿನ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅದೊಂದು ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನ ಕನಸುಗಳು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಧಾನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
ಗುರುಜಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೊದ್ಲೋದು ಈ ತರ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಆತರ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಈ ತರ ಗಂಟ್ಲದ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಮರಿಂಗ್ ತೊದ್ಲೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಿಂದ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗುರುಜಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಪೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಪೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ನಾವು?
ಶೀತಲಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಜನಾಂದರ್ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಪಂಚ್ ಈ ತರ ಪಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಫೇಸಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು, ಕರ್ಣ ಇದು ಕಿವಿ ಶಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬ್ರೀದ್ ಇನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿ ಮೌತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು.
ಅವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು.
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈಗ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಸಾಕು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಈ ತರ
ಮೂಲಾಧಾರ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮೂಲಾಧಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಹರಿ ಓಂ ಗುರುಜಿ. ಸರ್, ಬಾಯಿಂದ ನಾವು
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಯ್ತು, ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್.
ಮೈಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಹರಿ ಓಂ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಮೈಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
ಹರಿ ಓಂ ಗುರುಜಿ. ಗುರುಜಿ, ಈಗ ಬಾಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಗಾಳಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೂಗಿಂದ ಬಿಡುವಾಗ ಫುಲ್ ಗಾಳಿ ಆಚೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಯಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳತ್ತೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
ಯಾವ್ದು ಫೇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ?
ಫೇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಅದು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಹಂಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದೆ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ,
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 50% ಆಚೆ ಬರೋದು ಮೂಗಿಂದ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದೇ 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 ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೌಟ್
ಈ ರೀತಿ
ಗುರುಜಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 6:50 ಒಂದು ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಪೂನಾದವರು
ಎಂತೂಸಿಯಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 6:50 to 8:15 ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಈ 5-6 days ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ದು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಯಾವ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು?
ಇದು ಜನರಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಷ್ಣತೆ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7:30-8 ತನಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. 8 ಕಾಲಾದ್ರೂ 8:15 ಪಾದ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಉಷ್ಣತೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಹೀಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ ಟು 8-8:30 ವರೆಗೂ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಉಂಟು? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ at what time?
ಊಟ ಆದ 3 ತಾಸು ನಂತರ, 3-3.5 ತಾಸು ಆದ ನಂತರ 5 ಗಂಟೆ, 5:30, 6 ಗಂಟೆ.
ಸೊ ನಾನು ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 12 o'clock I'll have my lunch. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ 6:30 ಆತರ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 5 o'clock ಮಾಡಿವ್ರೆ, 4:30, 5 ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳುದು, ಈ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡುದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಇರಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಗ್ ಸೇರಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಉಂಟು. ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್, ನೋಡೋಣ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ ನಾವು? ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್
ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೇವೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗೋದು.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ, ಶಾಂತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಕ್ಲು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ? ಮಾಡಾಗತ್ಲು
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಮಾಡಾಗತ್ಲು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಡಿನ್ನರ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ?
half an hour to 1 hour. 1 hour is ideal. half an hour ಆದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಗುರುಜಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ತಿರುಪತಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು? ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ದು ಎವ್ರಿ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ ಇವ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗೋದು. ಎವ್ರಿ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 3rd Saturday ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವ್ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಹತ್ತೀವಿ, 3rd Thursday and 4th ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಟ್ತೀವಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹತ್ತೀವಿ, 3rd Friday and 3rd Saturday ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಪೂಜೆ ದರ್ಶನ ಎಲ್ಲ
ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಬಿಸಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ.
ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ತಿರುಪತಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಹತ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗುರುಜಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ ತಿರುಪತಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸನ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಬಾಲಾಜಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. So much. Have a good day and God bless you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Thank
you. Madam, ನೀವು ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಗುರುಜಿ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸೆ, ದೇವರು ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸೆ.
ಗುರುಜಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾನು ಪೂರ್ತಿ 6 ದಿವಸ ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ದು. ನಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪೈನ್ ಇದೆ ನಂಗೆ, ಲೋಯರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪೈನ್, ಏನೇನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಹುರುಪ್ ಬಂತು, ನಾನು ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡೋದ್ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ನಂಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯ್ತು. ದೇವ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ದಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ನಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ. ದೇವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ಲಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. 2 ನಿಮಿಷದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನಿಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಶ್ವಾಸನೆ ಬಂದಂಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು 2-3 ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಸಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ,
ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದನೋ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು, ನನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ, ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು MK ಶಾಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಸೌತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನರ್ ವೀಲ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್, ರೋಟ್ರಿ.
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಶಾಂತ ಅಂತ.
MK ಶಾಂತ. ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ, ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯ್ತು. ಐ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನನ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಡಿ, ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಮಾತ್ರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ ಇದೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ.
ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳದ್ ನೀವೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬೇಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದೀವಿ.
ಥೈರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ.
ಥೈರಾಯ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರಿಗ್ ಥೈರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಡೋಸೇಜ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಮಾತ್ರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಿ ನಾವು, ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಡೋಸೇಜ್ ನಿಧಾನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ದು 1 ತಿಂಗಳು ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಥೈರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅರ್ಧ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಹರಿ ಓಂ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು, ನೀ ಹತ್ರ ಟಾವೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಟಾವೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು
2-3 ಸರ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 30
ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 10 ಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಆತರ. ನೀವು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ 4 ಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್, 6 ಕೌಂಟ್, 8 ಆತರ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಿ. ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಅದು. ನೀಗೆ
ಸರ್, ನಾನ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಒಂದ್ ದಿವಸಲ್ಲೇ ಐ ಕುಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಇಟ್. ಹೇಳಕ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಸೋ ವೆಲ್. ನಾ ಅದೇ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ದಿವಸಲ್ಲೇ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ದು ಮಹಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕಾಲ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ.
ಹರಿ ಓಂ ಗುರುಜಿ. ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪೇನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನಿಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಹಳ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಗುರುಜಿ, 21ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಯೋಗ ಡೇ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇವ್ರೆ 21st ಗೆ ಏಕಾದಶಿ ಇದೆ. ಅವತ್ತು ನಂದು ನಿರ್ಜಲ ಉಪವಾಸ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಅವತ್ತು 21st ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ, ನನಗೂ ಬಹಳ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಏಕಾದಶಿ ಅವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನನೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರೆ.
ಹಿಂದಿನ ಮುಂದಿನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹಿಂದಿನ ದಿನ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈ. 20th June.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗುರುಜಿ. ಬಹಳ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಗೆಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಹಳ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಅದೊಂದೇ ಲೇಟ್.
ಓಕೆ,
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಗುರುಜಿ, ಡಯಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ?
ಡಯಟ್
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್, ಅದು ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 10-15 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದ್ 2 ಮಾತು ಹೇಳೋದು ಉಪಯೋಗ. ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಡಿಸೈರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ನಿಮಗೆಷ್ಟು ಪಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ. So we'll meet up again and I will talk about diet. It is very important. We are made up of what we eat. Annad bhavanti bhutani antivalla. So hage we have to eat the right things in the right manner, portion at the idanna ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ.
ಓಕೆ ಗುರುಜಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಗುರುಜಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. 6 ದಿವಸ ಕಾಲ ಕಳೆದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಈಗ ಗುರುಜಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ 22 ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲೇ 4-5 ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ತರ ನೀವು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 22 × 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 100 ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಾರ 15 ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಗುರುಜಿ ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವತ್ತಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೀವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಕೆಲವರು ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ದನ್ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ, ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ದೇ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಾವು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಯ್ತು. ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರದಿಂದ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ maybe we pray God that entire world will come to normalcy ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಆ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಶಿಸ್ತುಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಪಾಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುವಂಗೆ ಲೋಕ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಸುಖಿನೋ ಭವಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಗುರೂಜಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Thank you to all organizers and Guruji. God bless all of us.
Thanks, Guruji. Thanks, sir. Thanks.
Thank you, Guruji.
As soon as possible.
We miss